I'm trying to look into my crystal ball to see what interest rates are doing in the mortgage world today. Well, I don't have one. I would have picked winning lotto numbers a long time ago had I had that. I've been in business for 18 years in the mortgage world, and I have seen ups and downs, both good and bad, when it comes to this business. And throughout all the years that I've been in business, mortgage rates are something that are super complicated for most mortgage originators to understand in the business, let alone new or potentially new homeowners. So I'm going to break it down for you. The mortgage backed security market and bond and treasury market is what determines the rate on your mortgage. Rates have gone up pretty significantly over the last 18 months or so. And it may feel like we're charging so much interest rate, so you mortgage lenders must be making a lot of money. Well, that is not how the world works. And I don't have enough time to explain all the technicals, plus, you don't really care. At the end of the day, what I want you to know is that my team, the Complete Mortgage team, are mortgage professionals who watch the market and guide you on your mortgage options, the rate, and what your payment looks like that's ready to suit you at this time of your life, giving you the best options we have, explaining them thoroughly, and I will help guide you once you go under contract on your home, whether it's a good idea to float your mortgage rate or lock it in at the time of contract so you are super comfortable with your monthly payment and cash out of pocket. So don't get nervous about where rates are today. Should you wait or should you buy? Should you rent or should you stop? Give us a call. We're going to walk you through this and then we will help guide you based on that. What's the best way to move forward?